Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all recipe of creamy chicken and mushroom soup. So let's see what ingredients we need. Finely chopped onion. We need coriander, mushroom. Here I took canned mushroom, but if you have fresh you can use that. Half tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 bowl of chicken finely chopped, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper, and we need 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and we need milk. Okay, so here I took a pot and I have added 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt and then add chicken. Now mix it well. Cook chicken for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now we will add onion. Mix them well. Let them cook until they turn into golden brown color, and then add garlic. Mix well and then add mushrooms. Now add plain flour. Now mix well. Now we will start adding water. We will add water little by little so it doesn't make lumps. Add little water and then mix well. Keep adding little by little. I have added about 2 glasses of water. Now I will add 2 glasses of milk. Now mix well and let it cook for about 5 minutes. As you can see, soup is boiling now, so we can add coriander. Now cover it and off the flame. As you can see, soup is ready. I have garnished with coriander and bread toast. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.